Again. Do, 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 do. All right, we are going to be doing some jigsaw melodies today. Got this idea from another music teacher. His name is David Rowe. And normally these would be in color, so next time I'm going to try to get them in color. So he gives us these task cards to put together some melodies. So these are little flashcards. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some on here and give them a try. I've never played it, but I'm going to try it. So let's just do 4 measures like this. Okay, this question mark means I get to choose the note. So I'm going to put a B there. Since I started with B, I'm going to go ahead and end with B. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and say the note and finger it on the recorder while I say it. B, rest. B, A, B, B, A, B, G, G, and then I said B. Okay. All right, and actually this is only 2 measures, right? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Ta, sh, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, 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 ti. And then ta. B. All right. Let's give it a try. 1, 2, ready, play. Ooh, that was tough. Let's try it one more time. A little bit slower. 1, 2, ready, play. I think I'm putting a rest in between here. Let's try it one more time for Mrs. Peterson. 1, 2, ready, play. All right, nice job, guys. And then I'll take this out and swap it for something else. All right. So maybe the top line's the same, but the bottom line's different, right? Take a look at it. Let's go ahead and say it and play the notes on the recorder. 1, 2, ready, play. B, rest. B, A, B, 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 A, B. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, ready, play. B, sh, B, A, B, 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 A, B, sh. Let's try to play it. Mrs. Peterson's going to try not to go too fast. 1, 2, ready, play. I like this rhythm. Let's play it one more time. 1, 2, ready, play. All right, I got a little squeak at the end, but that's okay. I'm going to change it one more time, and then I'm going to let you try some on your own. So you can make some rhythm cards just like this, right? And then you can mix them up and make your own compositions at home as well. Try to only use the notes that we have learned so far. All right, let's give this a try. Ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, shh. Let's say the notes as we finger them on the recorder. 1, 2, ready, play. A, B, G, A, B, B, A, B, shh. A little bit slower for Mrs. Peterson. All right, let's see. A, B, G, A, B, B, A, B. There's only one G in this whole thing. 1, 2, ready, play. Oh, I ended on G instead of B. Let's try again. 1, 2, ready, play. One, two, ready, last time. can make them longer. You can make them just one measure even if you wanted to. So have fun with that. We'll play some more with that next time. See you later, alligator.